Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a nice weekend. Don't bite me. I had a little Halloween cocktail night with a few of my friends on Friday, and then I just had a complete lazy Saturday and Sunday, which was so nice and so needed. You're so needy. It's been raining. I think we're on like day 5 of rain, seriously. This past week too, there's really been a shift in the temperature. Like, it's definitely fall. The cold months are coming in hot. It's been like in the 40s. So I was all excited, little miss, so excited for fall, and now it's getting really cold and I'm not really here for it. I'm heading to Pilates right now. I just changed into this isn't a set, but they're both from Aerie. This is just a little tank top. I love these tank tops from them. If they're in stock, seriously, I'll link it, grab it, because I've bought it in a couple different colors now because it's so great. These high-waisted leggings, they are wide leg and I love them. I've been wearing them so much lately, and we're off to Pilates. Happy Monday. It felt so nice to be in the 90-degree room. Now that it's getting colder, I'm looking forward to it, whereas when it got hot, like when it turned into the summer, I was like, oh my god. And I left the playlist tonight, it was so good. But I'm actually about to cook some dinner. I'm gonna make chicken parm and spicy vodka sauce. I actually got this new cookbook holder that I'm gonna use for the first time that I'm so excited about. Just like sits on your counter just like this. And I actually got this in my FabFitFun box that came in this weekend. It was filled with so many good things. Each box is valued up to $350, and it's a fully customizable box that you get 4 times a year. It includes 6 full-size products from like fitness, beauty, lifestyle, wellness, home that you get to specifically choose. So let me show you all the products that I got this month. First, I showed you the cookbook holder. So excited about this edition. I've been wanting one for a while now, and this one is from Open Spaces. This Cleobella tote bag, it's so cute, such nice quality. This would have cost me $98, you guys. That's more than I paid for this entire box. These Tower 28 juice bombs, these are in such pretty colors. This is in shake and mix. And these are just tinted lip balms, which I've never tried these before and I'm obsessed with them. I'm gonna have to get more colors. I actually feel like I need to get my mom a bunch of these for Christmas because she would love them. This little Wander Beauty ornament, perfect for the holidays, just like a little set that comes with 2 beauty blenders, 2 makeup sponges or puffs, and then a cleansing pad, an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. I'm really excited to try this. And then lastly, I got this safety alarm, which I'm really excited about. Basically, you can put this on like a keychain, you could put it on your keys or your purse or your dog's leash or whatever, and basically if you pull the top right here out, it activates an alarm and it'll have like LED light flashing, and then it also has a little like siren, and it's very loud. So hopefully I never need to use something like this, and hopefully none of you guys ever need to use something like this, but you just never know, and it's nice to have these kinds of things. I'm out all the time walking my dog, and it's just better to be safe than sorry, right? So when I saw that this was one of the options, I was like, oh my gosh, I really want that. Very excited about this. And if you are a woman or a man, you never know, I definitely recommend this. And that's my little unboxing of my FabFitFun box. How fun is it? I love their little saying. It says, FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. So you guys can get a seasonal membership that's $69.99 per quarter. An annual membership is $219.99, which comes out to about $55 per box. And remember, you're getting 6 full-size products in this box. Like I said, that tote bag was like double the price of this box just alone in itself. It's such a cheat code, honestly. I feel like this is such a great gift for someone. I think I'm gonna get my sister this for Christmas, or it's a great little seasonal gift to yourself, right? You know you deserve it. So I have a great offer for you guys. So FabFitFun is giving my followers a code, and when you use it, you get a free gift at a $200 value with your new purchase of an annual membership. I do the annual membership because that means I get first dibs on all the product picks. Basically how it works is, like, for the example, the 28 like beauty bombs, it goes for every product here, all 6 products, but you basically have like a category, like a list of products to choose from. So among that list, I chose the Tower 28 beauty balm sticks, whatever they're called. From another lineup of products, there was a bunch of stuff. Oh my gosh, that section was so hard for me to choose from. There were these little ceramic like soup bowls that I really wanted to grab, but I've been wanting this cookbook holder for so long, so I had to go with the cookbook holder. It's really fun. So you can do the annual membership and get first dibs on like all those product picks and stuff, earlier shipping, all of that. So if you do the annual membership, like I said, you get that $200 free gift additionally, and it's a free gift valued over $200 with a new annual membership. Or if you want to do the seasonal membership, I do have a code for you guys to get 20% off your first box. Like I said earlier, each box has a value of up to $350, okay? And when you use my code, your first box is only at $55.99. Great gift for yourself this holiday season or for someone else. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. Let's whip out my new cookbook holder and make some dinner. So I'm gonna be making chicken parm and spicy vodka sauce tonight. Like I said, it's gonna be delicious. I've got all my ingredients, and I started Bunny, an audiobook, yesterday. Or I started the physical book, and now I'm gonna switch over to the audiobook. I'm about halfway through right now. Day, I just got out of work and I drove to the thrift store. I went here last February, I think it was, and I found a couple gems. So I've been wanting to go back. So we'll see what we find. Hopefully there's some good things in there. And there's also a coffee shop right next door. So I'm gonna go in there and grab a drink. So successful. $22, I got a set of 8 glasses, 2 like highball whiskey glasses, I think that's what they're called, 3 picture frames, and a couple candlesticks for Christmas. I'm so happy. $22 for all of that. That's crazy. That is the best thrift store, but that was fun. I also got apple cinnamon chai from the coffee shop. That was really yummy. But right now I've just been wanting to, now that it's getting colder, go through and unpack my sweaters that I put away for the summertime. I'm also dealing with a problem right now because I just don't have enough space. I have so many clothes and I've tried to declutter, which I did do about a month and a half ago, but literally I filled an entire IKEA bag of clothes and it looks like I didn't even do anything. So whatever, we're just gonna go through and unpack all those sweaters. I don't even know where they would go in my closet right now. That's why I even packed them up in the first place. But I'm thinking we could possibly put them in this like larger area towards the bottom of each bookcase in here. I don't want to have them in the guest room. This is the room that like Brody keeps his clothes in, that closet, and uses this bathroom to get ready in the morning. And I use our bedroom for my clothes and where I get ready in the morning, and it's just not as convenient to have things in here. I mean, it's literally a couple steps away, but you know what I mean. But I think that's just what we're gonna have to do, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do that. Maybe, hopefully, I'll purge some things. Who knows? We're also gonna have a little Dr. Pepper. Terrible pour. Look at these little bats that I put up. How cute are these? I literally can't talk to the camera anymore without Bogey just jumping and biting me the whole time. A few of my friends are about to come over. We're doing a little Halloween girls' night. We're making surprise Halloween themed cocktails for each other. So I have all my supplies. They're all gonna bring their supplies, and then it's gonna be so much fun. We've seen this on TikTok, and look at the little cups that I made. I just hot glue gunned some pipe cleaner and little googly eyes on these cups, and I put up these little bats. I also put them over here by my circle mirror. I have some desserts that I want to put on this wood tray. I got this from Home Goods last winter and I love it so much, but look at the spread we have going. If you watched my last few videos, I showed these that I found at Home Goods, and then this spiderweb runner is actually my mom's that I'm borrowing, and then how cute. So I made 2 appetizers, and then I have the treats over there. I also filled my candy jar with a bunch of Halloween candy, and then I just kind of like rearranged some of my decor so that we could have a cute little spread up here. And then some of the girls are bringing some appetizers too, but how cute is it with all the little bats and stuff? I also really have not shut up about my little fake mantle and my decor, but it just looks so cute. What do you think? Are you ready for girls' night? Let's put the treats on here. I'm so excited to be hosting. It was so fun to like set all of this up. I'm a little nervous about this whole surprise cocktail thing because I'm kind of a wimp and like I really can only drink vodka, and when I'm mixing alcohol it's just not good, and that goes for like anyone. Like when you mix alcohol it's really just bad news. So it's probably gonna be a fun night. I don't know if I said this, but I'm making Cosmos as my drink.